Hey there! Struggling to pack your suitcase? Sitting on it, trying to close it? We've all been there. Don't worry, I've got the solution. In this video, I'll share some super easy tips to pack smart, save space, and avoid extra fees. Ready? Let's get started. The first thing you need to pick is the right suitcase. Make sure it's the right size for your trip and meets the airline's rules. A lightweight bag with multiple pockets is perfect for keeping everything organized. Trust me, it'll make your life a lot easier. If you're thinking of buying a new one, I've added a link below to help you out. Choosing clothes can be easy if you focus on items that serve more than one purpose. First, pick clothes that are versatile. For example, jeans go with almost everything. Second, neutral shirts, like white or gray, are easy to match with anything. Third, think about the weather at your destination. Do you need extra layers or just light clothes? And finally, don't pack anything you won't actually use. Got any must-have items for your trips? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about organizing clothes inside your bag. If you're still folding your clothes, try rolling them instead. Rolling saves space and keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. But if you want even better results, use compression bags. Just put your clothes in, seal the bag, and use the pump to suck out the air. This reduces the size of your clothes and saves a ton of space. Sounds great, right? And here's the best part. You can get compression bags with a pump at a really good price through the link below. Give it a try, you won't regret it. Heavy items always take up too much space, but you can deal with them smartly. Put heavy items like shoes or your laptop in your carry-on bag. Use the space inside your shoes. You can stuff socks or even small chargers inside. By doing this, you'll lighten the load in your main bag and make the most of every inch. Got any clever packing tricks? Share them with us. Less is more. Don't carry things you can easily buy at your destination, like shampoo or heavy water bottles. Before you leave, check the weight of your suitcase using a luggage scale. This will help you avoid extra fees at the airport. If you find you still have some weight available, you can add those last-minute items you forgot. Need a lightweight, easy-to-use luggage scale? I've got a great deal for you. Just click the link below to grab one. And just like that, your suitcase is all set. With these tips, you'll pack like a pro, save space, and travel stress-free. If you're looking for discounted flights and hotel bookings, check out the links below for some great deals. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more travel tips. What are you waiting for? Let's make your next trip the best one yet. Happy travels!